Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I have one left. One left. So I have to get quickly on reordering my omega-3. Nice size pill, plenty of goodness in there. I love taking omega-3. It's 690 milligrams. So this pill bottle lasts me a few months. I'll take one or two, depending on the day and how much brain activity I need. Omega-3 seem to help me when I don't take them. I have an even more difficult time focusing. See why I need more? The ingredients are sea fish.
Just kidding, they don't taste bad at all. They actually have no fishy taste and they have a nice little lemony taste to them. I only buy the Nordic Naturals because I'm too scared to taste the fishiness of some of them. And research I've done shows that the fatty acids in the fish oil help support heart, brain, and immune health, and they don't hurt with mood.
If you're looking for a great omega-3, I do believe this is one of the very best, but that's my point of view.